Hello, friends! I hope you're all doing well and having wonderful days. After almost 4 months of not uploading a new video, I'm finally back, and I'm excited to share a brand new project with all of you. First of all, I want to thank everyone who continued to support my channel and patiently waited for my return. Your support and encouragement truly mean a lot to me. Over the past few months, I've been busy with some personal matters, so I had to take a break from creating videos. However, just because I wasn't uploading doesn't mean I stopped building and experimenting with new projects. In fact, I've spent a lot of time designing, testing, and refining an idea that I've wanted to bring to life for a long time, and now I'm finally ready to share it with you. After countless hours of trial and error, repeated 3D printing, and using up a lot of filament along the way, I successfully created a DIY miniature house made from popsicle sticks that doesn't require a single drop of glue. That's right, no glue, no adhesive, and no permanently attached parts. Every piece is carefully designed to fit and connect perfectly using specially designed 3D printed connectors that I created and tested multiple times to ensure they are both durable and easy to assemble. Here is a preview of my very first project, a miniature house built from popsicle sticks that can be assembled without using any glue. All you need are popsicle sticks and, of course, a 3D printer to create the connectors and other parts. But this is only the beginning. Be sure to watch my next video because I'll be showing the entire building process from start to finish. I'll also demonstrate how you can expand the house, add more rooms, enlarge the design, and create even bigger structures, all without using a single drop of glue. This is one of the projects I'm most excited to share because I want to prove that it's possible to create a modular miniature house system using only popsicle sticks and 3D printing. And because the design is modular, there are countless possibilities for future expansions, modifications, and new creations. I've also been thinking that maybe someday I could offer kits, or even the 3D printed parts themselves, so more people can build one of these at home. What do you think? Would you be interested if I started offering kits for this project? Let me know your thoughts and suggestions in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. Once again, thank you so much for your continued support, for watching my videos, liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. You are the reason I keep creating new projects and looking for ways to share more unique and exciting DIY creations. I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you'll join me as we continue building and expanding this miniature house, one popsicle stick at a time. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best.